How to organize your fridge and make it more functional. If your fridge gets constantly messy and a lot of the times you don't even know what you have in your fridge, food gets forgotten and expired, you want to get some clear containers and make space for everything. Use jars for herbs and you can put your ham or salami in a glass containers so that way they stay more fresher and you can write expiration date on the top. This way your food will last longer and it gets used because you can nicely see what you still have left before going to the grocery store.